In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up any TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app, and then if you want to speed up a video, let's say I want to speed up that video, all I have to do is hit here at share icon and then select save video to save that video to my camera roll. Now that video has been saved, and now I need to open up CapCut application. If you don't got that app, just go to App Store and install it. And once you are on CapCut, just hit here at plus sign to start new project. Then select a video that you have downloaded and then hit on add. Now there all you have to do is select a video and there at toolbar hit on speed. Then tap at normal, and now here you can change the speed of your video up to 100 and just drag this slider to right or to the left. Let's say I want to speed up it up to 4x and then just hit on check mark. Now you can hit on play to see how this video looks like now. And guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.